Hey, my name's Amanda Winalda. I'm an executive attorney at Anderson Advisors, and we're here in San Diego for our live tax and asset protection event. I'm joined by Joe Finnegan. Hey, Joe, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. All right, so you're the vendor for Infinity. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what Infinity Investing is?
Sure. Infinity Investing is the make money side of the Anderson organization. Anderson protects your assets, creates LLCs, and saves you on taxes. And on this side, we help you make the money so that you can protect it.
Okay, and so Infinity Investing, Toby wrote a book. What's the concept behind that?
The concept behind it is to create passive income to meet your expenses and your lifestyle so you never have to work if you don't want to.
I'm in. I'm in. How are we doing that?
It's a combination of stock and real estate and managed funds, and it's all about generating that passive income. So on the stock side, we look into dividend paying stocks, the companies that are required to pay back a percentage of their income to the shareholders each year in dividends so that you build a cash flow on that side, and then owning real estate as well, developing cash flow there. And then the third part is managed money, giving it into someone else's hands so that you're not making all the decisions.
Okay, so are you guys money managers? Do I just hand my money to you and you do all of this for me? How does it work?
No, we are a training and education and support company. We have multiple portals, a stock portal and a real estate portal. Comes with all sorts of extensive training and videos and deal rooms and stock suggestions, and as well as live support and live calls to help you learn and to manage your assets.
Who are these people who are training me? What sort of experience do they have?
Well, on the stock side, it's Toby and his people, and it is such a passion of his, the stock side. On the real estate side, it's myself, Jen, Stacy, Aaron Adams with Alpine, and we're the ones that support everybody on the real estate.
And what type of real estate investing are you teaching? Short-term rentals, long-term rentals, turnkey, pad split? What strategies do you have out there for us?
That is a great question. The real estate side of Infinity Investing actually offers training in almost every asset class out there. What it allows for people to do is to dive in and test out the waters and see what they prefer so then they can focus on that. But it's tax liens, mobile home parks, Airbnb, single family rentals, multifamily, everything.
Everything. Okay, and are there different levels? I know there's a free membership so you can access certain things, but are there different levels where I can get maybe individualized one-on-one mentoring?
Yes, there's one-on-one coaching available as well as live coaching, group coaching is available also. I'm one of the coaches on Monday. But yes, there is a one-on-one coaching availability in case you need that very specific handholding.
All right. And so how do people who are interested in Infinity get more information?
They would just go to infinityinvesting.com or come up to see us at the booth and we can help them through it all.
Okay, one last question. I found this little guy. You said he has a name. What's his name?
His name is Cloby. It's a mix of Clint and Toby.
Well, there you have it, guys. Come see us, say hi to Cloby, and learn more about Infinity Investing. Thanks.
Thank you.